Hello everybody, Simosi back again. I'm back with a racing break today. I got one blaster box of 2017 Panini Select Nascar. Now each blaster comes with only 15 cards, and we're looking at one autograph or mem card per box on average there. And the retail comes with these purple parallels. I really like Select. Now these are $19.99 in stores. I did pick it up on eBay for 18 bucks, so a little bit of a discount. So pretty excited for a NASCAR break here. I've done one in a while. Actually, the last show I sold a lot of NASCAR stuff, so I need to refill some of my NASCAR stock. Plus, I love Select, so I figured give it a shot. Alright, so here's the packs. Alright, pack one, 5 cards per pack. Alright. Oh, it's 15 cards, I think. So there's the design, nice Select design. There's the back. Danica Patrick, Bubba Wallace. Oh, we got the Chris Boucher. I don't know much about him. Pretty cool looking parallel. Joe Jr. Alligator. Alright. Some guys I don't really know. Alright, pack 2. Oh, we have a thick card in here. Looks like I might get the mem card. Jamie McMurray. Eric Jones. And not a bad one, but is that sheet metal card? Yep, sheet metal Select. Pretty cool, like carbon fiber. Martin Truex Jr. Not bad. He's not getting autographed. At least I got a pretty decent sheet metal card. Nice looking. So that's the hit. Unless I get some kind of bonus hit. Paul Menard and Blaney. Alright, last pack. Richard Petty. Austin Dillon. Get another purple one. Landon Castillo. Nascar. So there's the 2 purple ones. Oh, a nice Dale Earnhardt base. And AJ Allmendinger. Alright, so there's the 2 purple parallels. No other parallels, but these do look pretty nice in person. And the 1 sheet metal head of Truex. So, yeah, $20. I probably wouldn't buy more, but I believe these will probably come down to about 15 bucks. And I'll probably be a more buyer there because I really like the Select design. And the 1 hit, it's not a bad value if you get it for that price. So that's it for this 2017 Select Racing, guys. Leave a thumbs up and a comment if you want me to do more NASCAR breaks. So we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.